Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th, subject English. Topic number 16, conjunctions. Students, let us read these sentences. So let us look at the first one. I had bread and butter. So students, can you find a word that joins or connect words or sentences together? Yes, here. And is the word that joins or connect words or sentence together in this one. Next, I like Sana, but I dislike her brother. So now in this sentence, but, right? So but is a word that joins or connect words or sentences together. Next one, I could not give the exam because I was sick. So here, as we can see here, because is a word that joins or connects sentences together, right? So students, here this and, but, because, the highlighted words join these sentences together, right? So students, a word that joins or connects words or sentences together is called a conjunction. Now here students, as you can see, FANBOYS, fanboys. Now what are these? Let us see. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay students? So students, as we can see here, that these conjunctions are called coordinating conjunctions. Okay? So they helps to join sentences that are equal in importance. So these are called coordinating conjunctions. Fill in the blanks with coordinating conjunctions. First, both tea dash coffee are expensive. So which will be the correct coordinating conjunction? It will be both tea and coffee are expensive. Next, Aru studied well. Dash, she could not pass the test. So it will be Aru studied well, yet she could not pass the test. Next, nobody answered the bell. Dash, the guest left. So nobody answered the bell, so the guest left. Next sentence, you can have vanilla dash chocolate ice cream. So you can have vanilla or chocolate ice cream. Next, I do not want to be late. Dash, please walk fast. So I do not want to be late. So please walk fast. Next one, my favorite desserts are pies, cakes, and pudding. Next, I take milk dash sugar in my tea. So I take milk and sugar in my tea. Next sentence, he is sick dash he is not going to school. So we will write he is sick, so he is not going to school. Next sentence, I am very hungry dash the fridge is empty. So I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Next, I have 2 goldfish dash a cat. So I have 2 goldfish and a cat. Next sentence, she is kind dash she helps people. She is kind, so she helps people. Neither George dash Mary were at the school yesterday. So we'll write neither George nor Mary were at the school yesterday. Now let us read these sentences. I will visit you whenever I get time. Next sentence, Mia cannot complete the work because she had to take care of her brother. And next, though it was cold, we enjoyed playing in the snow. So students, which words are helping to join sentences? As we can see here, whenever, then here in this sentence because, and here in this sentence though, right? So they help to join sentences of different importance. So students, the highlighted conjunctions are called subordinating conjunctions, and they help to join sentences of different importance. So now students, let us combine the sentences using whether, though and because. So let us look at the first sentence. I failed. I did not have the book. So students, what we can use? Can we use whether? I failed whether I did not have the book? No. I failed though I did not have the book, or I failed because I did not have the book. It will be I failed because I did not have the book. Next, he asked, I needed food. So it will be he asked whether I needed food. Next, the old man is angry. His grandchildren have broken his spectacles. So students, we can write the old man is angry because his grandchildren have broken his spectacles. Next, the air hostess asked me I wanted any medicine. So what we can write? We can write the air hostess asked me whether I wanted any medicine. Next, the boys are smart. They did not do well in the examination. So we can write the boys are smart though they did not do well in the examination. Next, he must do it. He likes it or not. So we can use whether, right? We can write he must do it whether he likes it or not. Now next students, let us fill in with correct conjunctions from the bracket. So the robbers doubled up dash. Now in the bracket it is given so that, such that they could escape from the clutches of the angry policeman. So which will be the correct one? It will be so that. Then dash. Now here in the bracket it is given when, while. So dash, the policeman blew the whistle. So it will be when the policeman blew the whistle, the robbers remained still behind the thick undergrowth. Dash, the suspicious policeman did not stir out his place too. Now dash, now in the bracket it is given but and so. So which will be the correct one? But. Right? Then for some time, everybody was still. Dash, now here in the bracket it is given as soon as, while. So dash, the robbers began moving. So it will be as soon as the robbers began moving, the policeman moved simultaneously without making any sound. Dash, now in the bracket it is given if, because he had made any noise, the robbers would have remained hidden. So if he had made any noise, the robbers would have remained hidden. Dash, now in bracket it is given although, yet. The dash, one tried to cheat the other. So we will write although one tried to cheat the other, both were fooled. Dash, now in bracket it is given for if a hungry lion was waiting for them. So here it will be what? It will be for a hungry lion was waiting for them.